Hey, welcome back. We're actually this is the second take on this video demo. We're going to talk more about templates because there's some nuances I think that people should be really aware of. So when I first created my template, I created it as manual. Because we're testing, we want to get stuff ready for production. So all this, so you can see here inside of the scanning scope, as we edit it, we see these are all the different things that we're scanning for. Because essentially, it's using the scanning scope to say, okay, what kind of security issues for SecureDX are we looking at, or do we care about? A good, especially important thing is to make sure you look at compliance, because this one could cause a lot of problems if you don't have it done correctly. You want to make sure that you're targeting the stuff that matter to you. A great job by the ControlUp team is they're capturing a lot of different agents, like Avanti and Cisco VPN, Palo Alto, and all that SEP, all these different things in here. So you want to make sure that you're only checking the boxes of the agents that actually matter to you. Usually you go all vulnerabilities, all patches. You can also look at misconfig and see of these items, any of them you're not really that worried about. Like, what do you care? How do you care about LSA or autoplaying for drives or whatever it is? So you have all that. I like that little warning too, which will actually tell you, hey, just be aware these could cause some noise. So now if we go turn on auto remediation, the really important thing to note here is that nothing is actually enabled out of the box. So you have to kind of go in and enable everything. So what I'll do is I'll enable all vulnerabilities and patches, because you want to make sure that you're only enabling stuff that you intend to. Like, for example, making sure okay, you'll notice here that only a few of the items are enabled for remediation. So some of these you cannot enable for automatic remediation. Just to keep that in mind, you can see they're not enableable. Misconfig, 14 of the 15 are available. The only one that is not is setting the account lockout threshold. But yeah, so you select all those. You're going to hit schedule, go immediate, that's fine. We'll enable auto restart, we'll notify the user. Say, okay, you can snooze it twice. And you have just whatever you want to put here. So like, I'm going to put SensorX IT is automatically fixing any configuration or security issues for you. So, it's fine. It's not a big deal. Then you click summary, and then you click submit. And that'll make those changes for you. Because you'll see here is that we have all of these little issues that are actually being picked up on, like device guard and stuff like that. So it's picking up on some of those. And anything that it can't automatically remediate, keep in mind, you can kind of go, you'll be able to drill into it and check it out. But this just kind of gives you a nice little idea of what we have going on with the really cool capabilities around templates with SecureDX.